This is LUX Orchestral Strings Elements from SonuScore. So of course, being the Elements version, it's not going to have all of the articulations of the full version, but we do have spiccato here. So real quick, let me switch these over. So overall good sounding strings, 100% free, runs in the free version of Kontakt, the Kontakt Player, or of course the full version of Kontakt like we have here. So if you don't have the free version of Kontakt, no problem. I'll have a link for that in the description below as well. So real quick, let's go over the interface here. So LUX Orchestral Strings Elements comes with 5 different elements here. You heard most of them there. At the beginning, we got violins, your violas, your cellos, and your bass. Right now we have Violins 1 loaded up here in Kontakt. And right here on the front page, on the main page, we have sustain, then spiccato, tremolo. You can switch these on your key switches. Okay. Again, because it's the free version, it's not going to have all of the other articulations that are in the full version. You have a live or a look ahead. Going to make that 250 milliseconds of a delay, just so you can like set your track delay and everything is playing perfectly in time. But if we're just playing around, of course, set that to live. You have the sat button, which is just the seamless articulation switching. So watch as I switch here from, say, sustain to tremolo. Right, seamlessly transitioned. Now without that on, now again, I could do this on my key switches on the actual keyboard as well. So it doesn't switch until I release and press again, right? So that's that. That's what that setting does. Concertino. It just means play it with a mute. Right? A little bit muted. If you're 8 VA, which gives you another octave, it means all octave. This really works out well for, let's say you want to play the cellos. The 8 VA on there. Back over to the violins here. Make sure you use your mod wheel with this library here. We're going to skip over the edit page and come back to it. Head over here to the mix page. Now, again, the free version, we're not going to have all the different mixes. We just have the full mic. I can't even turn on like the close or the tree or whatever, right? So we can just adjust the overall volume of that, panning, solo, mute, set a different output. You do have an EQ. Compressor, reverb, send, return, right? We all get how that works. Okay. So back over here to the edit page, and this is where things get kind of cool. See when I move the mod wheel? For that volume curve, mod wheel to velocity, you got humanize right there. To that release on, but leave that off for now. The really cool part is over here where we have our different layers. So you can see we have the sustain layer. Right here is layer 1. We also have other layers down here. So if I click down here, let's say on 2, I can actually load another layer directly onto this articulation. So for example, maybe I want to go to shorts. Again, the free version is not going to have all the different articulations, but I could do spiccato for that second layer. Come back here now. And we can do mod wheel, we can do velocity here. Let's come back to the sustain. And right now you can't really hear that spiccato. So I could turn it up. Right? You can turn these layers up individually. The tightness of it there. So So right now, obviously it sounds kind of weird having spiccato and sustain play at the same time, but what you can do is, let's just go with velocity here. And we'll put our sustain velocity lower. So now if I hit my key very hard, I'm only going to get that spiccato. So we'll pull the range up here. Now if I press my key softer, I get sustain. I don't have to switch using a key switch. I can immediately switch. So for those of you who don't know, right here on the Kontakt keyboard, if I press up here on a key, that's going to be a low velocity. If I press down here, it's a high velocity. All right? So just so you can see that visually. So it's pretty cool that you could, I can do them both at the same time, by the way. Watch this here. I'll play a chord maybe, and then up top, I'll do that, right? Now I need to adjust the volume of this here. Let's turn that sustain down, and our spiccato is probably pretty good. Try this again. And immediately go to that without having to do a key switch. And of course I could layer even more on here. If I wanted to, I could come up to my longs and do tremolo. Same thing here. And I could layer 3, set that up to occupy whatever range I want, or play at the same time. If I wanted to, maybe I just have the tremolo and the sustain playing. And then press hard and get the spiccato, which is really cool. So pretty cool, right? So real quick, let me go over here to the violas. The 8 VA on there. Just so you can kind of hear them. Then we'll head over here to our cellos. Of course, we can also layer this stuff up here. So again, sustain, if I wanted to put something else in there, solpont trim, then come back here, adjust the volume of that, dynamic layer, but I want to put it on velocity personally. Just sustain, press harder. Right, pretty cool. That's your cellos, and of course you have your basses. All right, so if you want to pick this up for yourself, head right over here. Of course, I'll have a link for it in the description below. A great sounding orchestral library that is 100% free. So if you need some strings and your Kontakt kit, be sure to pick this one up 100% for free. Now, what you'll get is a serial number, which you'll register inside of Native Access. Native Access is also free. If you don't have it, I can put a link in the description below, but you should get Native Access if you download Kontakt Player, or if you already have Kontakt, of course. So you just enter that serial number into Native Access, and then you'll be able to download LUX Orchestral Strings Elements using that, and it will put it right into Kontakt for you. All right, so again, if you want to pick it up for yourself, head down to the description below and pick up this pretty cool 100% free library, LUX Orchestral Strings Elements.